Just waking up from a nice dream. Bitcoin pumping on a live stream. Smile shine brighter than a high beam. Ever seen live trading on a widescreen? Bitcoin showing you the steps to own it. We got the alpha, I bet you want it. I'm having fun, send a lecture on it. Randy, put a little extra on it.
It's mutable and decentralized. No censorship or hard cap supply. It's open source and we classify the blockchain secure. And that's exactly why. It's hard money with a new plan. It bounced a lot like this new jam. If Bitcoin dipped, then we ain't gon' trip. I'ma be bullish on you, fam.
I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it. 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 I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Wednesday. We are midweek and ready to pop off and get after it. I want to tell you everything that's going on in crypto, especially the fact that people are screaming from the rooftops about the SpaceX IPO. What is going on with that? What are things that you should know about that IPO? I actually took notes for this one because it's locked, it's loaded. We also have the fact that people are acknowledging that crypto is absorbing the world's wealth. We'll discuss that too. As Senator Liz Warren, yeah, we know how much we love her on this channel. Put Liz Warren emoji, fire emoji. She is complaining about the CFTC, and basically nobody but her is capable of regulating crypto. Guys, if you're ready for the Zest, the news, the education, please make sure you smash like, subscribe to the channel, share this out with friends. More people know what's going on here. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers, and a subscriber goal of 26,000 subscribers. You guys saw that this keeps going. Every time we hit 25,900, YouTube takes us down. So please capitalize on this moment. Share this out with friends. Get everyone you know to subscribe to this channel. So that way we could conquer YouTube and tell them we don't care that you're trying to take every new follower away. We're going to get 26,000 for the goodness of crypto and to touch every single heart in this world to let them know that Bitcoin and crypto is the way forward. It is the truthful, honest money that we all need. Guys, I want to say good morning to you as you say good morning to me, and check out our two amazing sponsors of the show, Cake Wallet and Uphold. Please make sure you guys go to uphold.com/Randy, sign up today. All right, let's get into it. No TikTok stream, no TikTok stream. The TikTok phone, my TikTok phone, she died. I thought she was charged, but apparently it did not charge. So no TikTok today. Sorry, my TikTokers. Jesse, good morning. Silver Days, Flat Earth, good morning. We got Shadow, we got Fitz, good morning. Jesse and Black Hat are going to chat after the after show. Yes, we also have a members after show. Guys, please become a member of the channel. Support us. Hit that $ emoji that is in the YouTube chat. Become a member. Get emojis. It's going to be so fun. And then you get access to the Discord after show that we're going to do today in Discord. Ray K, good morning. We have Rob C. Who else is Black Hat? Thank you to you as always. Black Hat's cooking right now. Yukio, Mike Mazzone are on X. Julie is in the chat. Oh my gosh. Hi, Julie. Julie's my bestie. We got Ian, Crypto Stoner. Good morning. That name just gets me every time. I don't know why. Poe, good morning. We have Ramondo said, good afternoon from the Netherlands. Oh, you're from the Netherlands. Stay where you are, friends. Stay, just hold on. Guys, I'm gonna be in freaking Amsterdam. In a week and a half. I'm freaking losing it. I'm so excited. Guys, we're going to Amsterdam. Litecoin Summit Amsterdam. Tickets are like $84. Don't sweat. $84, come hang out. I'll be at the Litecoin Summit. So on the 22nd, I'm gonna moderate a panel. So you guys could watch the panel. I believe there's going to be a live stream of the event. I'm going to double check that. But I know everything will definitely get posted. You have to make sure you're subscribed to the Litecoin Foundation YouTube channel, which, if you guys did not know, I am the official host of the Litecoin Foundation YouTube channel and Foundations by Litecoin. It is a fire podcast. Like, I'm so happy to be a part of. So please subscribe to Litecoin Foundation if you can't make it in person, and you'll be able to watch us and hang out. And I will keep you posted on the time of that panel. But please, again, go get your tickets for Litecoin Summit. You can also go to Dutch Blockchain Week, which is basically throughout the whole week. So I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to go to Amsterdam. So all my besties in Europe, let's freaking go and come hang out with me. I'm going to be so excited. Like, I'm actually so pumped. I can't even, I'm so pumped. I think I said hi to everyone. I don't know if I missed anyone, but if I did. Oh, Bulldog Eric, I see you. Bulldog Eric, you coming? You should be here. Ramondo said he's from North Seaside. That's 40 minutes from Amsterdam. Well, bestie, drive 40 minutes to Amsterdam and come to Litecoin Summit on the 22nd to the 23rd. I'll be there. Come watch the panels and things. I'll be doing interviews. Your girl is going to be booked and busy, and I'm so excited. All right, guys, let's get into this beautiful market recap that looks a little bit messy today. We got Siren that is ringing to the downside, guys. We also have Beat. This WBT made me laugh because when I was looking at it, I was like, this literally looks like our noodle emoji in the chat. Go ahead and put some noodle emojis if you think I'm going to lose it today. I don't think I'm going to lose it today. I think I could keep my composure. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, $62,150. We are up 0.76%. Seems like we're holding above 60K. I'll take it. We'll see what happens. Crypto actually in his YouTube live stream this morning said that he wants to make me a master trader like him. And he literally said today he withdrew $20,000 from his trading account and put that in his bank. Like, he made 20K clean. Like, that is fire for him. We love that. So he wants to make me a master trader like him. 1 or yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. Should I start trading like Crypto? Let me know. But 62K is where we're at. Bullish scenario is that 67.6 and 69K. Again, these are our 2021 levels. Then we also have 72K above those. But bearish again, if we lose support at 60, which people would lose it. Absolutely lose it. We're going to look at 52 to 54K, but Bitcoin, now people are starting to realize 52 to 54K is a thing. So what I think Bitcoin might do just to shake us out or just to punk us a little bit is come down to 55, 56, hold support here. And that would not surprise me because everyone's now paying attention to this. But that makes me think Bitcoin's going to come down to 55, 56 and psych everyone out and go back up. That would be diabolical of Bitcoin to do, but she's sneaky like that. Bitcoin's sneaky like that. And you could even think of it like 2022, right? So Bitcoin goes to 69K, comes all the way back down. It was nap time. Everybody, you could have looked at Twitter, like everyone right now saying 40K, 20K. It was the same energy as 2022. I call this nap time because everyone was sleeping on Bitcoin. Guys, this is so darn funny because everyone at 15 to 17K was like, oh, I can't believe it. Bitcoin's going to 8,000. It's going to 10. It's going to 10. We promise you. And how far away was that really? I mean, from this wick low. Let's get freaking real. 10K was another 35% drop. So, I mean, listen, everyone swore that was happening. Everyone swore Bitcoin was going down to 10K, to 8K. Never happened. Literally, most random point, 15K was the bottom. 15K was the bottom. And then boop, 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 we're all the way back here. I could see, again, because how far are we from all-time highs right now? Take a little gander. Let's say this is rough because I'm not looking at the exact top over there. But 50% down. So if we're looking at historical stuff, 75% is 30K. 80% is 24. I think Bitcoin could psych us out. at this 50% mark. I don't know. It's just kind of how I feel. And when everybody says something is going to happen, usually it just doesn't. Hype Chick crushed you. She told you not to sell at 120. Dude, what? All right, everyone needs to stop. See, this is why. See, that's a bear market signal, is that comment, because I get so many of those. You told us what to do. I don't tell anyone what to do. I literally never told you what to do, bestie. I never tell people when to buy. I never tell people when to sell. Do you see what I just did? I gave you bullish and bearish levels on this chart. And I don't care about Bitcoin dipping. I don't, because I'm here for the long haul. When I started missteencrypto just over 6 years ago, Bitcoin was $7K. Bitcoin was $7,000, and now we're at 62. I'm not complaining. Why? Because I've been holding for years. That is the play. This isn't get rich quick. Bitcoin is not get rich quick. And everyone's like, oh, you told us this. I didn't tell you nothing. I say keep calm, hodl on. That's what I've been saying in the bull, the bear, the in-between. I don't care. So I'm just letting you know, I'm here for the fundamentals. So actually, when I went to go get my coffee this morning, because there was a nice little coffee truck, I love the owners. They're very sweet people. And he goes, Randy, like, am I going to be okay because my portfolio is down? I said, sir, I don't care about the price. He's like, what? And I was like, dude, it's because I know that there are only 21 million Bitcoin to exist. There's not a lot to go around. And the fact that it's independent of government and it can't be turned off. I'd rather have Bitcoin that is down over the dollars that have decreased in value massively since I started buying Bitcoin, at least. So yeah, I'd rather have money that belongs to me that no one can take from me rather than depreciating fiat dollars. That's just me. Bull or bear market, one Bitcoin is always equal to one Bitcoin. But people are upset about the Bitcoin ETFs. Is it better or worse now that Donnie T is in office? Breaking news headlines start now. Apparently, Bitcoin ETFs are no bigger today than when Donnie T entered office. If you guys are still fans, or are fans, I guess I should say, if you guys are fans of Donnie T, feel free to put his emoji in the chat. This is our president after all. Bitcoin spot ETFs have fallen out of investor favor. Total dollar value of net assets of the spot ETFs, again, there's 11 of them, so I got $77.58 billion on June 9th. That's the same level seen just after Donnie T won the election back in November 2024. Again, it's not to say that the ETFs didn't grow in the 19-month period, but the hopes that Donnie T would deliver on his campaign promises of friendlier crypto regulation helped push Bitcoin higher, along with ETFs. Total net assets crossed $90 billion within a week of the election win and went on to hit a record high of $169.54 billion in 2025. But again, we don't see a lot of hype right now. Again, we don't even have a lot of regulation that has gone on. People are just creating hype over the Genius Act and the Clarity Act, which again is just... it's just not like, it's not moving. There's no fun. Where's our federal Bitcoin reserve? Like, I heard rumors, oh my God, it was supposed to be here last week, 2 weeks ago. Like, I just don't understand, like, where did the crypto capital of the world go? Like, I want to do this, dude. I really want to do this. I want to take over the world. The United States should be leading this. We are the country that's supposed to reign on the idea of freedom and prosperity of like the American dream. But like Bitcoin and crypto is what is going to save the American dream. And it actually propagates the American dream. Again, our inalienable human rights of life, liberty, and property. We have liberty with Bitcoin, free speech with Bitcoin. It's a property. No one can, like, it literally cannot be taken from us if you're holding it on your own wallet. I don't know, man. Maybe I'm Delulu. Maybe I don't know what's going on. I'm just wondering, like, where is the love? I need more Bitcoin and crypto love. I don't know. I feel like we should add like an American flag emoji. I don't know. I think we need an American flag emoji because low key, like, this is getting a little ridiculous. We need to be pro-America. We need to spark the youth of America. Anyways, what we're seeing though is the whole idea of tokenized stocks, and this is going to lead me over to SpaceX. So keep calm, hodl on. SpaceX is coming through in just a second. The Securitized CEO is saying that tokenized stocks are going to unlock a $5 trillion market. And I keep telling you guys, Bitcoin and crypto is absorbing the world's wealth. Literally, there's no other way to say it. There's no other way to go about it. It is the truth. And people aren't putting together. Everyone's upset. Oh my God, Bitcoin's dipping right now. But are you not clocking the fact that, again, we are absorbing the world's wealth? Stocks, everything is going to be tokenized. Money market funds, Darna. Are you seeing the money that's in that right now? People are not seeing it. People are not seeing it. Securitized CEO Carlos Domingo says he believes tokenized equities and ETFs, not private credit or treasury products, would be the asset class that ultimately drives RWA markets into the trillions. Speaking at an ETH Conf panel over in New York, Domingo argued that bringing stocks and ETFs on-chain could unlock a market far larger than today's $30 billion tokenized asset sectors. Isn't that right, sir? Isn't that right? Mr. Domingo says the entire equities and ETF market worldwide is probably like $150 trillion. Only a small percentage of that, like 2 or 3%, moves on chain. It gets you very close to that $5 trillion. Do you hear this? I have to like take a breath here. Legit. Because I really don't think anybody's registering how big of a deal this is. With only 2 to 3%, if only 2 to 3% of equities and ETFs go on the blockchain, it's going to get you close to $5 trillion. 2 to 3%. And think about it. Only about 90% of the world has not touched Bitcoin yet. So we're like in like the 5 to 10% of the world that's like deep in the trenches right now. So imagine when Bitcoin adoption gets to 10%. I would say not 10%, 20%, 25%, 50%. How far are these tokenized stocks and equities and ETFs going to go? How much money will be flowing in? How much of the world's wealth will then be absorbed into crypto? Like, guys, this is a big, big deal. And it's something nobody can stop. Because, again, the institutions saw Uniswap and all these DEXs popping off. That's why Operation Choke Point 2.0, the theater of Operation Choke Point 2.0, was to stop the innovation or take liquidity away from these companies to innovate more, just so the banks could cook in the background and now come out now and say, oh, actually this crypto thing is fun. We're going to like take part, but do it our way. They let the nerds build to take our formula and make it their own. Stand by that. I stand by that. Crypto in general as a technology is severely undervalued. That math says it alone. So, people don't understand inflation and where it comes from. Absolutely, they do not. Like, people don't know what's going on with money. They don't know what's going on in the world. Like, when I bring up some of these things that go on in like politics and things like that to my friends, they're like, what? What do you mean? And I'm like telling, like, my friends, they get the news from me because I'm on X. See, a lot of people are on X, but a lot of people aren't. Like, Gen Z, for some reason, is not like too X like familiar. So they don't really like know the real news. Like, a lot of people don't know the real news unless they're on X. So even if you're on X, you know more than most of the world of what's going on, because X is the only real current news you'll ever get. And it's the same way I feel about Bitcoin and crypto. Like, we are so early. X is so early in the way it's spreading news and messages across the world. Bitcoin and crypto so early of how money and wealth can be transferred around the world. I just don't know how people just don't see this yet. I don't know how people don't see this yet. But nonetheless, we do have SpaceX. Put some Elon rocket emojis. We need some Elons in the chat. Give me some Elons. Give me some rocket emoji. Elon, if you're watching the show, we do have your emoji on YouTube. Let's take a gander. Elon Musk's SpaceX IPO is 4 times oversubscribed. So the demand is 4 times what they can basically offer in shares. That is crazy to me. And so the big oopsie, or the big like fuss, I guess I should say, it's a fuss. The big fuss is about how people think that everyone's going to take money out of Bitcoin stocks, other stocks, and crypto to go get into the SpaceX IPO. A lot of people, even Paco, was like, I'm buying that IPO. If you guys are on Kraken has X stocks. You could go get the pre-IPO perps over there. And so this is what's going on with SpaceX. Again, I need to see rocket emojis. I need to see Mr. Elon's in the chat. Elon's SpaceX IPO, which values the company at $1.8 trillion, is priced at $135 per share. And investors won't know how it'll trade until the shares go live on the trad market. And again, it's kind of odd because when I'm doing like research on these things, when the IPO launches, it's mostly insiders, or not insiders, or it's mostly institutions that get their hands on it first, and mostly retail gets left behind, especially with something as oversubscribed as this. Retail usually gets cut out or gets very minimal exposure. However, on the crypto platform Hyperliquid, the synthetic shares of SpaceX are already trading and might be the closest thing to an indication of how they might trade when they go live this week. And the synthetic pre-IPO product has already lost its premium, despite the report that the largest IPO was 4 times oversubscribed. A widely tracked 5x leverage perp futures contract on Hyperliquid has declined for 3 consecutive weeks. The product, which is tickered SPCX, traded near $157 on Wednesday, down about 27% from the mid-May launch price of $216. Now, it doesn't mean that traders are betting against SpaceX, as it still trades above the IPO price of $135, but the implied first-day premium has been cut hard. In May, the contract priced SpaceX roughly 60% above the offer, and it stood closer to 16% as of Wednesday. Oh, freaking boy. So again, I think like there's a lot of fear mongering in crypto right now, and people are saying like, oh, Bitcoin's gonna die when SpaceX IPO goes live. Like, no, it won't. SpaceX holds Bitcoin. It's not like, people are really going to like take everything out of Bitcoin and put it in the SpaceX IPO. I don't see that whatsoever. And it could be a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Why did I trip up on that? Buy the rumor, sell the news event. I don't know. Let me ask you. Let me ask you guys. Do you think it's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news event? 1 yes emoji, 2 no emoji. You can't bet against Elon when he's going to be the richest man in the world. All his companies are profiting. It's true. Mr. Gone Went said Bitcoin isn't real. Oh. How do you figure that? If you want to know more about Bitcoin and how it works, I could definitely explain it to you so you know it actually is real money. Everything is accounted for on the blockchain. But we will go ahead. Do you remember the Dutch family? Oh yeah, the Bitcoin family that they sold all their Bitcoin in 2017. Yeah. I love the Bitcoin family. They're friends of the channel. They gave me hoodies very early on. I was doing on the street interviews in their hoodies when I was like 17, 18 years old. I do love them. Didi Taihutu is the man. He's the man. Absolute icon. OKX, though, they are expanding their X perps in Europe with the Mag 7. They got oil, gold futures. They got things happening. Again, of course, this is in Europe, and it can't be in the US because the US is so lame. We're being so lame right now. OKX is rolling out expiry futures tied to the Magnificent 7, SPY, the QQQs, and major commodity benchmarks for European retail customers. In a Tuesday release shared with Cointelegraph, OKX said the new X Perps market allow users to trade futures linked to the Mag 7 stocks alongside index-linked index. Why can't I speak today? I just want to know. Alongside the index-linked contracts based on the S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and the QQQ. The products also provide exposure to gold, silver, and oil with up to 10x leverage using the same margin pool as customers' crypto holdings. They define their experts lineup as a regulated derivatives product, and so they launched with Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, and XRP contracts. If you are in Europe, that seems fun for you guys. Go check it out. But while Europe is like actually allowing things to happen, which is so surprising, we just have people like Liz Warren that are causing stress in my being because all she does is complain. She's literally never happy. She's never happy. It's a little ridiculous. And she's saying that the CFTC and the way it's structured right now is a recipe for disaster. Well, I think she's a little bit, you know what? I'm not going to be mean on this podcast. I really won't be mean on this podcast. Put Liz Warren emoji, fire emojis for my mental health. Senator Elizabeth Warren pressed the CFTC chair Mike Selig over whether the agency is equipped to take on a larger role in regulating crypto and prediction markets as Congress advances legislation that would expand their authority. Again, that is the Clarity Act. In a letter, she's infamous for her letters. She argued that staffing cuts, declining enforcement activity, and growing influence over the agency have left it weak, stretched too thin to effectively police crypto prediction markets simultaneously. She said that their workforce shrunk by 25%. And so I think they're crying. She could cry harder. Everything needs to be restructured when it comes to the regulation. I don't think they know what they're doing. Every single thing that they're doing right now is absolutely worthless. Because by the time they actually pass something, it's going to be completely irrelevant. But that's just my opinion. But the crypto tax bills are also on the move over in the U.S. Thank you, Verhoofdy Floof. He's giving me energy. He says, don't give Liz your energy, but he gave me heart emojis to give me good energy back. Thank you. Hello, Frenchie. Hello, everybody. Thank you guys so much for being here. I would appreciate if you guys smash the like. Please smash the like and subscribe. Okay, let's take a look here. Let's go into oh yeah, guys, please get your tickets for Litecoin Summit. I will be there. It's gonna be such a great time. I'm so darn excited. Please go ahead and get your tickets. It's about $84 a ticket. And with that, we are gonna go into our coins to watch. Gainers and losers, Oriera or Beat is up 21% as our biggest gainer. Morpho is up 12%. Stable is up 10%. WLFI, where Liberties is up 8%. And Curve is up 6.6%. There's actually an interesting article that came out yesterday about WLFI. Siren is leading the losers today, ringing down about that 37%. Humanity still crushed after that embarrassing hack. Dexy is down 16%, Venice is down 13%, and Injective is down about 9%. The whole Humanity thing, like, oh, it just freaking grinds my gears. Like, that really annoyed me. I was just like, why was one computer responsible for this major hack? I just find it extremely suspect. Nonetheless, I am excited to get after it, and we are going to keep pumping it up. Okay, guys, we are gonna keep getting after it. Thank you guys so much for being here. Should I switch this? What do you guys think? Should I switch this? Think if we even it out. I just think this is too big. That's why. I don't know. I have to see. Maybe this is good. I just don't want the chat box to be too big on the show. I think this is good. That looks fine to me. I gotta play around with this overlay. I gotta see what I want to do with this. If you guys have any suggestions, then you guys could throw that in the Discord as well. But guys, we also do have a Discord after show for members. Members get these cool emojis like you're seeing in the chat right now. All the Bitcoin, Litecoin, ETH emojis, Doge emojis, Digi emojis. You guys can go into the Discord once you have this membership and join the after show. Frank King says, smash the like. Yes, smash the like, everybody. Smash the like. I would appreciate if you guys did. I don't know what's going on with YouTube right now, but we're going to remain positive. We also, again, have 99 subscribers left, guys. 99 subscribers until 26,000. I would really appreciate it if you guys went ahead and shared out this channel, shared out the stream, so we could keep grinding it out here and get that 26,000 subscribers and keep spreading Bitcoin adoption to the entire world. That is our goal. I just want to spread love and happiness and let people know that there is a better money, which includes Bitcoin and Litecoin and ETH and all the things that it allows us to do. So we'll see. We'll see. Oh, the logo does block the ticker. See, I don't see that on my end. You see it on your end. See, that's why I had to switch this. So we're going to switch this back. Wait, this here, this here. See, I'm doing reorganizing literally with you guys. No. Yes. And then this. I don't know. I think it should be like this. I kind of like that. I have to play with this after the show. Boop boop the like. Yes, like Ray K says, boop boop the like. We are going to Amsterdam soon, and I'm so excited. So I'm leaving not this Friday, next Friday. And I'm so excited. Am I right about that? Wait, hold on. Am I crazy? No, I'm not. Wow, I cannot believe this. But thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you. We are going into the after show right now. If you guys have not yet, please smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends. I hope you have a beautiful Wednesday. Again, we're going into the Discord after show for the members. And then we will be here tomorrow. We're going to get after it tomorrow. So please be here tomorrow. Again, we are making the lives 30 to 40 minutes and experimenting with this and seeing how it goes. So if you guys want to make sure you see this show live, please be here promptly at 9:45 a.m. Eastern, Monday through Thursday. And I appreciate every single one of you guys. Please smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends. Go to Discord, and I will see you guys later. Peace.